Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Concours 14 Super Sport Touring. This is 1441 cc's of performance. Shaft drive, fuel injected. It's got a power windscreen, heated electric grips, locking side cases, Kawasaki traction control, ABS brakes. Only 2,400 miles on this beautiful metallic sparkle black Concours. It's in perfect shape. Save thousands over the price of new. Come by, make your hypersport touring dreams come true with this awesome Concours 14 for just $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.